welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you simple PowerToys features that can make your Windows PC more productive. So let's get started. So firstly, open Microsoft Store. Here you will search for PowerToys. Here you will see the first one is Microsoft PowerToys. You can download it. I already downloaded it, so I can open from there. Click on open. Here you will see all the updated settings of PowerToys. So first is fancy zones. So click on settings. Here we'll type fancy zones. Open fancy zone. Here you will enable fancy zone. Turn it on. Second is open layout editor. Click on open layout editor. You can choose a layout from there. For example, I will be choosing rows. Then close it. Now hold the shift button and drag the screen. Here you will see you can select there. You can three layouts from there. You can change the layout because our screen size is little small. Then again hold, and here you will see this works. Next is PowerToys run. For this we are simply click on Alt plus space. Here you will see Alt plus space. Here you can type, find any website, open any app, for example this, like you can search, or you can simply doing calculations here without the use of calculator. For example, 20 multiplied by 5, you can see the answer is 100. 20 minus 15, answer is 5. So the next is shortcut guide. To enable this, we are again going in PowerToys. Search for shortcut. Second one is shortcut guide. You can enable, turn it on. You can see the activation shortcut. For example, when we press Windows Shift plus colon, here you will see all the shortcut will be display on the screen. When we press Windows plus G, it's open Xbox game bar. Control plus X to open quick link menu. Control plus enter to open narrator. Here you will see all the shortcuts guide. Next is image resizer. For this we are going to in File Explorer. We are going to folder which we have images. Right click on the image, scroll down. You will see resize with image resizer. Click on there. You will see there, you will see small fits with medium, large. Then click on resize. Now you will see it will be resized. You can check the properties, size. on details. Here you will see dimensions 1080 and our original peak properties 512. So the next is mouse highlighter. Again we are going to open PowerToys. Here we will search mouse highlighter. This will helps in presentations. Here you will see turn it on mouse highlighter. When you press Windows Shift plus H, firstly we are open Microsoft any of the app which pointer we see. Now you will see the yellow beep on mouse cursor. This is the mouse highlighter. You can, when recording tutorials, giving presentation or just tracking your cursor on big screen, this will help. And that's it. These PowerToys features are simple but powerful ways to boost productivity on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.